Here's the 1500 horsepower twin turbo from the exterior. Got to catch some sun here in the early spring coming around. The color on it is a PPG custom mix orange blast tri-coat. If you see it when it catches the light, it changes quite a bit as that top coat shines through the translucence. It's got a jet black top going into the rear clam, also carbon fiber vents, and there's a view of that monster engine sitting in there through the glass. It's got a cooling vent coming in here with the scoop, carbon fiber race wing, and you notice this one's higher. This is actually the stock height for race height, where the wing is at the same height as the top of the roof, if you look angle wise, for maximum downforce. A lot of the street cars, guys want the wing lowered because they like the look as it sits lower. This one looks very race and very aggressive. So it's got two-piece windows, which I've got a lot of questions about. Here's where the two-piece are actually installed in the bottom. You can see the brake with the seam. And on the other side, I left out the bottom glass. So you can see, while you're in there, you can reach out, pay your tolls. Although with Easy Pass now, I don't know about tolls. It's got the carbon fiber, wide-angled race mirrors on it, carbon fiber front vents to keep the pressure from building up in the wheel wells. It's got a monster brake package, the Willwoods with the floating calipers. These brakes are huge, and that required the tires and wheels to be out a little bit, shimmed out to clear those rotors. Xenon front lights. We already saw the intake where we're going into the intercoolers and the front radiator opening. DOT glass, windshield wiper. The rims are Forged Stars. And you see those turbos sticking out of there again. Fuel fill is over on this side here, Sparco cap. So this is the one and only one I've done with the intake coming out the top like that. You can see how it really catches the sun there. Oh, let's fire her up. It's got the automatic doors also, which reminds me as I was going to open the door. And they open with the touch of the button.